So before we get too carried away, Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles has dropped by because Rudy, we can't let you leave as our celebrity taster without something sweet.
Nice.
So Chef Cheryl-Ann Shortt-Charles is doing desserts after dark.
So
Yes.
Cheryl was willing, you know, to have drinks after and you did something sweet.
That is between you and Cheryl. Yeah.
Talk after. Right? You know, in the corner there where, you know. Right. So my thing is, it's after dark.
Right.
You want something quick. Because again, you have to sit down and watch. You sure?
Right.
So we have three things. We know mango is in season. Right? And it's in abundance.
Yeah.
So cut it up, freeze it. Some condensed milk.
Right.
That's frozen mango.
Frozen mango, right? And I have some cream cheese. So we're going to make a nice little popsicle.
Okay.
So, again, 3 ingredients. Your trusted blender. You have a blender?
I have a bullet.
You have a bullet? Well, that'll work. That'll work. That'll work.
All right.
That'll work. Right?
So this is what Julie mango. What kind of mango?
It's
you have?
a bit.
Ve-
Mango bit.
okay, nice.
But you could use whichever mango you choose that's a fleshy. Nice fleshy juicy.
And it must be frozen, Chef?
It must be frozen.
Must be frozen.
Yeah, it must be frozen. Right? So what I normally will do is I'll mash it up a little bit.
Right.
Right? So you see it's mashed up a little. Stop it. But with your bullet, what you could do is add everything into it.
One time.
One time. Because you know how the bullet works.
This work very well.
Not like it's blender.
Magic bullet, you know.
Boy.
So just 3 ingredients here, Chef?
Just 3 ingredients. That is it.
So you can do this with other fruits as well?
You could do it with other fruits
Like
as well. Pineapple, bananas. You could take fresh bananas and you could freeze it because you want the fruits frozen. Right? See? Nice. Now what I did with it as well, I took what we call parchment paper.
Right.
It's a baking sheet and I made a cone.
Okay.
Simple cone. I cut triangle. Right? You could do it. Fold it like in half like this, just to mark the center. Open it. Then you fold this half. Bring this half over.
I remember kite flying days.
You used to do that?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Chicky chong.
So you used to make flour pop and thing to stick it on?
Making mash.
You used to put razor blade on your tail?
grind any butter.
I good to
Grind any butter.
Granny butter.
Chicky chong and thing.
Right. So you see, that's it. Right? Now what I did is I taped it up a little so that it wouldn't open.
Okay.
Take 2 glass. Press it in there.
Okay.
Well, you can't fancy.
No, I use straws. Why I use straws? Straws are very easy. You could use lollipop sticks if you can get it. Anything you could use that will stand in there could go into food. Right? So what we're going to do, pour it in first.
Everything good, just so you know.
I know.
But you can have it just like that, Chef?
You could have it just like this if
But
you
what
want.
you going to do with it?
And we're going to freeze it. So we're going to make like a popsicle.
So chef, as it is there, that's like a mousse then.
Yeah. Well, kind of.
Cool.
It's kind of.
I love it.
Right? Stick it in there. Put it in the freezer. The nice thing is, I already have 2 frozen.
Yeah.
Now this is for I and you, not Joel. Right? Because
Yes,
Sense and feelings here.
yeah.
you see what's going on.
For the night.
We will take the 2 in the deep freeze.
So
but,
what we do, take it out.
So if you wanted to add like alcohol to this, you could do that.
You could add the alcohol to it because the nice part about it, it has condensed milk in it. It doesn't really have anything very liquid like heavy cream. So the alcohol is not going to break the heavy cream down. And then you have the cream cheese, which is another solid thing. So you could add the alcohol to it, which is also a good idea.
Vodka?
Alcohol on top of alcohol.
Some vodka, Chef, man.
Yes.
Vodka and nice rum too.
Right? So you peel the paper away.
Oh my word.
Thank you.
So, chef, but what fruit you use there? That's
I use strawberry.
Strawberry.
I use strawberry.
Look at Rudy's face.
Oh, Lord, I love you. I don't know about them. I don't worry about them. Just come. Come, Joel, hold this.
Yeah, hold on.
Fine, getting real close to the door.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So if there's one thing we promise on this show, when the celebrity taster comes hungry, he leaves happy. Watch at the smile on Rudy's face.
Amazing.
Yeah. Watch at the smile on Rudy's face. Guys, we're coming right back. Chef Cheryl, thank you very much. Desserts after dark. Desserts after dark, guys. We're coming right back.
Get it all to the ballpark.